Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Tata from BT21. Now we're going to get started with the outside edge of the head. So it's a heart shape. Starting from the center, we're going to draw the left side. We're going to go up with a curve, round out the side, come down. Now we're going to angle down and in towards the middle. Now the right side of the heart is larger, so we're going to start back in the center. We're going to curve up higher on the right, round this out. Now we're going to come down at an angle towards the bottom point. We're just going to extend this out. At the bottom of the heart, we're going to add the face. Let's start with the mouth. Right in the middle, we're going to start with a curve, going down and then up. And then in the center, just up above the mouth, we're going to curve up around the corner of the mouth, come down in the middle, up on the right side, and then down in the center. Directly above the mouth on either side, we're going to add a circle for the eyes. So one on the left, and then one on the right. And we're going to fill those in black. Now let's give them some eyebrows. Starting above the left eye, we're going to curve up and then in. And do the same thing on the right. Now let's move over to the left side and draw on the arm. Starting on the side of the heart, we're going to curve out the hand, round this out. Now I'm just going to pull this in and down in an angle. From the inside of the arm, we're going to come straight down towards the bottom of the leg on the left. We'll round out the bottom of the foot and then go up. Now we're going to overlap the lower part of the body. From here we're going to step out, curve over that line. Now we're just going to bend that up towards the right leg. And then from here we're going to do another overlap. We're going to step up, come down over that line, round out the bottom of the foot, and then go up. And then from here we're just going to go over the top of the leg and then back in towards the body. So let's go up, round out the leg, and then pull that in. On top of the leg, we're going to draw a short line going up. And now we're going to tuck the right arm in behind this line. So starting at the top of the leg, go straight out, round out the arm, and then pull that back in. I want to pull this back in towards the head, going straight in. Now the last thing we're going to do is add some polka dots across the body. Starting over here, we're going to draw a half circle going up and then down. Then underneath the head on the left side, we'll draw another half circle. Set a circle in the center of the body. And then down over towards the left side, we'll add another circle. And then finally, just up on the top of the arm on the right, we'll draw another half circle. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Tata from BT21. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.